You're watching TV9 News and I'm Prajwal D'Souza. Now, ever since the COVID-19 pandemic began, scientists and doctors have stressed the importance of vaccination to protect yourself from the deadly virus. Now that the vaccinations have started around the world, there are talks of possibilities of needing a booster shot after the two-dose regimen of the current vaccine that is approved. So why am I talking about it now? On Thursday, a member of the Niti Aayog think tank, Dr. V.K. Paul, said that if there is a need for a booster dose, it will be communicated. Dr. Paul also said that currently studies are going on in the country, and once the need and the timing will be known, they will be communicated to the people. So what is a booster dose? Now, before I tell you about the studies that are currently underway in the country, it is necessary to understand what a booster dose is and why it is required. Here is immunologist Dr. Sitesh Roy explaining about a booster dose and its importance.
A booster vaccination is essentially a method by which we remind the immune system how to respond to a particular bacteria, virus, or a component of it so that it can then refine its immune response, enhance its immune response, and exacerbate its immune response and can be prepared for the infection with much more memory B cells, memory T cells, because that is what the booster does, is it makes the memory immunity stronger, while also in the short term enhancing the antibody production. So a booster dose is essentially a way to make our immune system against the necessary infection even more potent or stronger.
Now that you know what a booster dose is, let me tell you about the current studies on the requirement of a booster dose. Now, Covaxin is an indigenous vaccine manufactured by Bharat Biotech. It is currently administered in India under a two-dose vaccine regimen. However, researchers are now conducting trials to ascertain the need for a third booster dose of Covaxin. According to the Union Health Ministry, the trials for a booster dose of Covaxin are currently underway, and once the need and duration will be known, the related guidelines will be communicated to the people. Our recent report by the Financial Times said that vaccines manufactured by AstraZeneca and Oxford, which is produced and administered in India by the Serum Institute of India as Covishield, works well as a third booster dose. Similarly, in the UK, the country's health authorities have started trials to study the need for a third booster dose of nearly 7 COVID-19 vaccines, including vaccines by Oxford, AstraZeneca, Pfizer and Moderna. Has there been a precedent? Well, there has been a precedent when it comes to taking jabs annually as booster shots. Now, in the US, Centers for Disease Control has recommended taking seasonal flu shots every year. Even in Europe, the European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control, the ECDC, has recommended yearly flu vaccinations for high-risk groups. To understand the need for a booster shot, I spoke to immunologist Dr. Sitesh Roy. Here is what he had to say. Now, doctor, according to you, is there a need for taking a third booster shot?
At this point of time, it is kind of difficult to say with surety that we will definitely need a third booster shot and when it will be needed. We suspect or expect that as there are more variants of concern that are developing in the SARS-CoV-2 virus, that there will be a need after a certain point to upgrade all the vaccines to a newer, more current formulation that will provide the immune system the necessary boost after vaccination. But whether that will occur at the 1 year mark or the 2 year mark or sooner will really depend on how well the vaccines are working against the variants of concern, and also how well the antibodies and the memory immune response is sustaining after the primary prime and boost vaccination schedule.
Doctor, are there studies or evidence to back the necessity of booster doses?
At this point of time, there is evidence that booster vaccinations do help with viral infections such as influenza being the most common example, where a booster dose of the influenza vaccine is taken before the major seasonal outbreak of influenza depending on whether we are in the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere. So there is a likelihood that even with coronaviruses and especially with SARS-CoV-2 that is going through mutations, that there will be a need for booster vaccinations. But when and what type is something that we still are researching, and there will be data coming out in this as we get closer to 1.5 years from the original immunizations of people around the world.
Is it the right time to focus on the possibilities of a third booster shot?
While we still don't have very clear data on the need for booster doses after the initial prime and boost vaccination, where you take your first two doses, whether it's a month apart or it's 12 weeks apart, there hasn't been enough time for us to really assess and see whether that primary immunization schedule is adequately protecting us after a year or longer. And hence, it is a bit early to address this question, but certainly with the newer variants of concern coming and the newer mutations developing, it is something that is very actively being looked at by every company manufacturing these vaccines around the world, and we should have much clearer data in the near future.
Now, currently, studies are being conducted to understand the requirement of a third booster dose. Until then, Dr. V.K. Paul from the Niti Aayog has urged everyone to follow the guidelines and continue with COVID-19 appropriate behavior. Now, do let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you like this content, do give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to TV9 News on all the social media platforms. Thank you for watching and have a great day.